Good morning everyone and welcome back again dito sa aking YouTube. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, no, this house po is ready for occupancy and fully furnished house. This one is our Georgina model house with a lot area of 284 square meters and with a floor area of 180.81 squares. Well guys, this house it has 3 bedrooms, then 3 toilet and bath and a car garage. At this house is very special because this is situated in a corner lot. Plus, this house is fully furnished. Right? Samahan niyo pa ako, pasukin natin sa loob. Good morning everyone, my name is Ray Miliada at kayo po ay nanonood ditong ating live tour or house tour dito po sa Antel Grand Village, which is our Georgina model house. Tutor ko po kayo dito po sa inyo pong magiging bahay. Alright? So paunahan na lang po kung sino po ang unang magpa-reserve or makapag-purchase nitong Georgina model unit. This is the actual or the physical house na for sale po dito po sa Grand Forbes, which is the Georgina model house. Well, upon entering the house, so you will welcome this very nice living area and the dining area. And of course, this is the living area at kasama na po sa sale itong lahat ng mga furnitures. Ayan po. Okay, so ang flooring natin is a 60 by 60 granite tiles. And of course, what makes this different? No? Because dito po sa ibaba, naka-set up na po yung inyo pong opisina. And check naman po natin yung kanila pong inyo pong dining area. Well, this is your dining area. And this is your backdoor area naman po going to your service area. And of course, pag inopin natin yan dyan guys, napakalawak pa po ang space lot dito sa likod na which is later on pwede nyo pong i-extend yung inyo pong bahay. And of course, look at your kitchen area. Wow! This is your kitchen area with a built-in cabinet. And granite tiles yung inyo pong pinaka-countertop. And may mga hanging cabinets. Plus, meron na kayong exhaust. Then, another set of fridge. So, dito po siya guys. So, lahat po ng nakikita nyo dito sa design, dito sa video, is kasama na po siya sa sale. And of course, dito po sa ground floor, meron po kayong isang powder room. Wow, let's check the powder room. Wow, this one is the powder room. And wow, look at this. This is a Fosse. Very nice brand. And look at the tiles, no? Floor to ceiling tiles po yung mayroon dito sa pinaka powder room dito po sa ibaba. Alright, no? Samahan niyo po ako guys at aakit tayo sa itaas. Shout out po kay Ate Lani. Ayan siya guys, no? Siya po ang nagbabantay at nag-iingat nitong inyong bahay na bibilhin. So, aakit tayo sa itaas po. So, ang stairs ninyo is napakabanayad at ang lapad, I think, the size is 1.5 meters. But look at the planks, ang lalaki. And the handrail is very Victorian. And of course, maganda po itong akitan kasi banayad lang siya guys. Kung may sakit kayo, may rayuma kayo, well, dito is hindi kayo apektado. But once po dito na tayo sa landing na ito guys, no, kasi ito yung pinakamalapad na part dito ng plank, ng steps. And makikita nyo po, no, kapag po kayo ay tumingin sa itaas, wow, the design of your ceiling, ito na po siya. Po, nandito tayo ngayon sa second floor nitong Georgina model house. At dito sa itaas, nandito yung kanilang 3 bedroom with 2 balcony. Alright, check natin yung kanilang bedroom 1. Alright, so this one is the bedroom 1, which is mayroon po kayong dalawang single bed, no, para po sa inyong mga little one. And of course, look at the height ceiling po, no, napakataas po nung height natin. And naka-cove lightings na po yung ating design sa kisame. And of course, dito po sa bedroom 1, meron na po dito mga built-in cabinet and an office area for your kids. And then, open natin yung cabinet dito, guys. Wow! So, empty. Nakikita nyo naman po yung design. Very detailed po yung house na ito. Ang mga shelving space is ganito na siya. Wow! So, including the sale na po, yung house na ito. And of course, the flooring po dito sa itaas po, this one is wood tiles. And ang maganda po dito sa bedroom 1 is mayroon po itong access going dito sa common balcony. Papakita ko sa inyo po yung common balcony dito po sa itaas. Okay, so check naman natin yung bedroom. Natin po ang bedroom 2. So the bedroom 2 with double size bed. And of course, meron na rin po siyang split type aircon. Ayan siya, naka-built-in na po siya, guys. And look at the kisame po natin on the ceiling. Ganito na po yung pinaka-turnover natin, guys, for this model house. So the size is very nice. At ang cabinet nito po is here. So since this is the door po, entrance, and this is your closet po for this bedroom 2. And of course, meron na rin siyang shelving sa ilalim. Look at this. Okay. Anyway, 4 po yun siya, guys. And meron ka pang overhead cabinet. Natin po yung pinaka-common balcony. So, shared kayo ng balcony nitong sa bedroom 1. Ayan. And of course, the size is nice. And dito po is may malaking puno po, no? And of course, the location, ayan lang po siya, guys. Main road na siya. And itong portion na ito po is a commercial area. And medyo mausok lang po ngayon, but actually, kapag hindi po siya mausok, pag from here until Grand Village, makikita mo na yung mga building sa Manila, no? Building from Makati, and then sa Manila Bay, makikita mo na dito sa area na ito, guys. Alright, so check naman natin po yung master's bedroom. So before natin pasukin po yung master's bedroom, pakita ko naman sa inyo, guys, yung pinaka-common CR dito po sa itaas. Alright, for 2 bedroom po, this is the common CR po na nandito sa itaas. Look at this. Wow, very nice. And meron na siyang shower head. Look at this. Plus the awning type here. And maganda po ang kinabit dito, guys, kasi this is a model house. Alright. And then meron kayong separator dito na plus. And then the brand still, this one naman po is ACG. And meron kayong mirror here. Kasama na po dito sa sale yung pinaka-mirror. So anything or everything inside dito sa house po is kasama na po sa sale. Let's check po the master's bedroom. And this is the master's bedroom. Wow, look at this. Para kang nasa isang hotel. Wow, very, very nice. Is nice because meron po itong sariling balcony. Look at this. So this is your private balcony for the master's bedroom itself. Ito siya, guys. And of course, since this is a master's bedroom, meron po itong sariling walk-in closet. Check natin yung walk-in closet. Wow. Ayan, guys. Tulak natin. Tulak ng bibig, kabig ng dibdib. Ano po yun? Salawikain. Master's bedroom, toilet and bath, meron kayong isang wardrobe area. And meron ka ng shelvings dito po sa itaas. Wow. Actually po, this idea po is pwede niyo pong i-copy kapag gawa kayo ng bahay. Kasi since this is a model house, at least you have the idea para po meron kayong kukuhaan ng mga things na improvement para sa inyong houses. But anyway, check naman natin po yung pinaka-family hall dito po sa taas. Nandito tayo ngayon sa pinaka-landing area nitong second floor. So makikita niyo po meron kayo ditong pinaka-table. May lampshades. And of course, makikita niyo din po yung laki at lawak nitong pinaka-hallway dito po sa second floor. And of course, ang napapansin ko sa bahay nito guys is very detailed po siya. In terms doon sa design at saka very architecture yung house na ito. Okay? And of course, the size ng ating pong hagdanan is napakalawak. Look at this, makikita nyo naman po kung gaano kalawak po yung ating pinaka staircases. Bababa tayo. So makikita nyo po, no? Ayan, kung gaano siya kasarap babaan at kung gaano kalapad yung ating pong hagdanan. Well, ang sarap dito sa ibaba. Dahil kompleto po dito guys, no? Ng gamit. Alright. Question here portion. Alright. So, how much ba yung house na ito? Guys, and nakita niyo po yung ating house tour dito po sa Georgina ng Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes. At napakaliwalas ng bahay nito guys. So, mag-comment lang po kayo kung ano po yung nakita niyo dito sa house nito. And of course, if you are asking kung how much po itong house na ito, nandito po sa description box. And of course, itong house na ito guys is available installment, cash term, and deferred payment. If you are going to pay at the house, so kapag bibili nyo yung house na ito guys, ng deferred payment, so 30 months to pay, no interest. If you're going to pay naman po the house through bank financing po, 20% lang po yung pinaka-down payment, plus makakalipat po kayo once with letter of guarantee from the bank and loan proceeds. And of course, kung existing lot owner ka na po dito sa Antel Grand Village, the good thing is, pwede kayo mag-upgrade ng ganitong house. So, ibig sabihin, kung fully paid na po yung inyong lot, or kung nasa bank na po yung inyong lot, tapos mag-decide kayo na magpapatayo ng house dito sa Antel Grand Village. That is a very easy step. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po guys is, kukontakin nyo lang po ako, then ipa-plotting lang po natin yung lote ninyo dito sa Antel Grand Village. Kasi aside from this Georgina model, we still have 20 plus model units na mapagpipilian dito sa Antel Grand Village. At ang hindi mo natawaran dito guys is our location because we are located 15 to 20 minutes, 25 minutes driving away from NAIA via Coastal Road and then via Cavitex, then take Centennial Road, then nandito na po kayo sa Antel Grand Village. Sa totoo lang po, pag nandito kayo sa Antel Grand Village is kapag hindi po foggy yung panahon natin is makikita nyo na po yung mga building sa Manila. So, very accessible na po yung area natin at napakaganda ng ating pong security and amenities dito sa ating Antel Grand Village. Alright? Kung nagustuhan nyo po yung video na ito guys, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and message po dito sa aking WhatsApp or sa aking Viber. Again, message me in my FB Messenger. And also, you can follow me in my Instagram, Ray Miliada. Email address at antelraymiliada@yahoo.com. Thank you so much and see you po dito sa Antel Grand Village.